Today, I'll show you how to set up night mode on your Redmi Watch 5 Lite and on your Redmi Watch 5 Active. Now, night mode is a feature that automatically dims your screen or lowers the screen brightness so that it doesn't hurt your eyes when it's dark or whenever you want it to. If you prefer a lower brightness, you can set this mode. Now, to do this, you need to use the Mi Fitness app on the device that is currently paired to your watch. And here you want to ensure that the device is the one selected at the top here in the device tab. So in the device tab, scroll through and find the system option and tap on it. Then you should be able to see the night mode option. So tap on night mode, and as you can see here, it says lower screen brightness on your wearable device. Now night mode is currently set to scheduled, and I'll schedule it for now so that you can see it in action. So tap on, as it's already set to schedule, you can tap on that to select scheduled if it's not. Then you can come here and tap on start to select the start time. Now because I want us to see the demonstration, I'll set it for 2 p.m. because it's currently 2 p.m. on my in my time. So I've set it to 2 p.m. and once I tap on continue, you should observe that the screen should go dim. So tap on continue, and as you can see, the screen slightly dims, meaning night mode has been enabled. So that's how it works. So I can set the time to any time that I want. If I've set it for now and I want it to the time to end at 6 tomorrow morning, I can leave it at that. But if I want to turn off night mode, I can simply come to the night mode option, tap on it, and then I can select either of two options. I can select either the off option or off until sunset if I want night mode to take effect when it's dark. So I'll select the off option for you to see it in action once more. So once I select off, you should see that the screen lights up once again and the brightness returns to normal. Now you can set the night time and schedule it for a time, let's say when you're asleep, so that the screen brightness cannot affect your eyes when you're looking at the time while you're asleep. So for me, I prefer night mode to take effect when I'm asleep from 10 a.m. let's say to a time when I wake up, let's say 6 a.m., which is fine for me. So that's basically how to set up night mode on your Redmi Watch 5 Lite and on your Redmi Watch 5 Active. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips. Until the next one, take care and God bless.